Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a potato korokke. So there are no special ingredients. This recipe is very ordinary Japanese home-cooked korokke. So this time I make it with a minced meat, but I recommended adding the shredded cheese as it's also delicious. So okay, first peel the potatoes with a peeler. And the eyes of the potato contains poison, so remove those too. And then cut them into bite-sized pieces. So okay, next boil the potatoes. So add enough water to cover the potatoes. Reduce the heat to medium. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and bring to a boil. So after boiling, reduce the heat to about low-high and boil for about 10 minutes. So okay, while it's boiling, let's cut the vegetables. So finely chop the onions. So okay, after 10 minutes, check the potatoes by sticking the chopsticks or fork into them to see if they are cooked through. Or just eat it and check. So if the potatoes are not cooked, please boil them some more. And if it's okay, drain off the hot water and leave it for a while. This is to allow the water to evaporate. So okay, now leave the potatoes and let's fry the onions. So put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a fry pan and fry over medium heat until it's become wilt. So fry for a few minutes and it will wilt like this. So and then reduce the heat to low and fry for about 5 minutes until golden brown. So have a look. The onion's moisture went away and it became nicely golden brown. So and then add 10 grams of butter and minced beef. Then fry until the minced beef is cooked through. Okay, the minced meat is almost cooked, so let's season it. So a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar, and black pepper to adjust taste at the end. So okay, it's ready. So and then leave it to cool for a while. So okay, now let's make the mashed potatoes. So I like a smooth texture, so I mash them with a potato masher until smooth. So please feel free to adjust the texture of potatoes to your liking. So after mashing, add the fried minced meat and stir to combine. So okay, next I'm gonna shape the croquette. The size depends on your preference, so I divide them into 8 pieces and round shapes. So if you like them big, make them big, and if you like a square, make them square. So okay, all that's left is to coat the croquette. So first roll into flour, then eggs, and finally panko breadcrumbs. Coat all remaining croquettes. So once everything has been coated, combine the leftovers butter in one tray and add a pinch of salt and sugar to bring it together into bite-sized pieces. This can also be fried in oil to make a deep-fried pastry like donuts. So okay, now let's fry the croquettes in oil at 170 degrees Celsius. So the oil is warm enough when a wooden spoon is inserted and fine bubbles appear. And I pour the vegetable oil 4 cm up the side of the pot. So fry until golden brown on both sides or approximately 3 minutes. And then also the tip of making delicious korokke is to wait until they are browned without touching them too much. So finally, deep fried snacks made from the leftovers butter until golden brown. So okay, korokke and the snacks are ready. So this korokke has thin and crispy butter and humble look. Inside is also moist and juicy. And the next one, the fried snack also made a delicious, slightly sweet snack. And the inside is also well cooked. So okay, serve with shredded cabbage and cherry tomatoes for a perfect Japanese korokke. So if you have a tonkatsu sauce, I want to recommend using it. It's gonna be taste more awesome. So okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!